Wormhole Pro. Of course, it must be Pro in the name of the brand, because if you have no Pro in the name, nobody will respect you. But seriously, it's not bad, it's good stuff, and a lot of you asked me about review for this tattoo machine. And finally I got it. Wormhole Pro ORION. Nice big box. Nice bag inside. Leather or something like that. In the bag, RCA cable. I will not change my mind and I will never use RCA again, but it looks nice if you use it. It's your choice. Battery, not so easy to take it off, so it's okay. In general, tattoo machine looks really nice. I don't think this hose is good decision, because of if you clean the grip, you have here this hose, and if you will have really dirty tattoo machine during the work, it will be dirty here inside, and it's not good. But I don't think it's good idea to use it without wrapping. So if you wrap your tattoo machine, nothing like that will happen. Not usual, good design, very good balanced. I think motor somewhere here, so it's really good balanced. You feel no weight of this machine, 200 grams, but you really don't feel it. Second battery, by the way, enough for 5-6 hours of work, 2 hours for charging from 0 to full, long USB cable for charging, RCA, battery, and that's all you need. It's adjustable stroke, very quiet clicks when you change the stroke, 4.2 till 2.4. Simple display, all information you need, time of working, battery, and voltage. We have here a force start. It's really quiet, it almost have no vibration. 8 volts, it doesn't move and you hear no any sound. But when you start it, you feel how motor starts. It's really have this power. For lining, I made few works with this tattoo machine. Mainly it was whip shading and lining, and for this kind of work it's perfect. You can buy this tattoo machine in 2 colors. It's gray and my favorite turquoise. I love this color. I have few machines in this color, and I think it looks really nice and cute in this color. Black and turquoise, perfect. The price, I think it's cheapest tattoo machine with adjustable stroke. It's $140 only, and with my code you will have more discount, 10%. So I think it's very nice price for this quality tattoo machine. Can I recommend you this machine? Of course, if I will make review, it means I like this stuff and I have no issues. If you like it, how it looks, this color, for sure, you must try it. It's easy to wrap, comfortable, it's powerful. I have nothing to say more. It's simply good stuff. So check the link under video, and Wormhole, they have some stuff for tattooing like fake skin, like caps for inks and needles. I have tried. Their needles, RS and RL, they are perfect. It's very tight. I think it's very tight membrane. Okay, very good fit. This sound at the beginning, it's the first start. I think it sounds not so nice, not so good as I want, but it's just for half second. No, it's very powerful for start. But after, it's really quite soft and strong, hard punch. 8 volts. In general, good machine, good cartridges, so you can order tattoo machine and cartridges from the same place. So you can lining, you can color packing, you can shading with the same tattoo machine, not for millions, and have good quality and comfortable in your hand. So good job. And in this price you have two batteries. I think it will be good choice for beginners and the same for professionals. So I really understand why so many people ask me about this tattoo machine, because very attractive price and for sure it really good quality, good power of machine, and you have a nice box with two batteries, with RCA if you use it, with cable, with charging. So what you want more for this money? It's really good choice. Accept it.